Thank you. In this live-action Disney movie, the main character's parents died while the main character was really young. Instead of getting superpowers like other Disney movies, his or her life makes a dark turn for the worst. This shouldn't be a surprise because you've literally seen this story before since it's a Disney remake. This time, the studio wanted a diverse cast to get more of a hip-hop vibe, so they hired a black actor in the iconic role. In the beginning, future lovebirds meet up in the marketplace. One of the star-crossed lovers is a hood rat dressed in rags, and the other is dressed in rags too, but it's just a disguise. The truth is, the street rat in disguise is actually royalty. The prince or princess hates his or her life and pretends to be someone else to escape the pressures of being the king's kid. Their culture has arranged marriages, and the king is forcing his child to get married like all the Disney characters from the other movies. To find a match, the parents invite every member of the opposite sex to the palace to try to hook up with their child. There's a thin line between matchmaking and pimping. Both of them ain't easy though. The royal family gets sick and tired of their child's attitude, and it looks like the prince or princess will never pick anyone. But relax. The main character makes friends with the magical black person. In real life, the magical black person is a Grammy award-winning artist, which is tough to do. But in the movie, the magical black person's job is just as tough. He or she has to use powers to give the main character a new wardrobe and a new ride. Equipped with a new dress code, transportation, and a couple of servants, the main character arrives to the palace. Not since Tupac have I ever seen all eyes on one person. The pair hits the dance floor and everybody's clapping for them except the haters. The king talks with his future in-law. The conversation is awkward as hell. To make matters worse, after the dance, the girl runs away like she's Usain Bolt or somebody. This is all a part of her plan though. Now her and her Prince Charming are all alone. They start talking and one thing leads to another, then boom! Next thing you know, they're kissing like the nursery rhyme. The hater from the party finds out and commits at least 8 felonies to mess everything up. The villain locks away the main character where no one could ever hear the screams. It doesn't work and the lovers are reunited. Their love is tested when the royal character finds out he or she fell in love with a poor person. No big deal because money only matters when you need a co-signer. The rich and poor characters kiss, and the kiss is like a mushroom from Super Mario or something because both of their clothes get an upgrade after that. Both of them get married and the prince and princess live happily ever after. Those are 24 reasons these movies are the same. You agree? Yes, no, maybe so? If not, politely share your thoughts in the comment section below and click the subscribe button for more 24 reason videos.
Best elevator music I've ever heard.